When your home or business suffers from damage, whether it's in the form of water, fire, or mold, the contents inside the building are also affected. PRC Restoration offers professional content pack-out and storage services to protect your belongings while your home or office is undergoing cleanup and repairs. To prevent damage and to streamline the repairs process, it is crucial that your belongings from your home or business are removed from the location as soon as possible. Our expert contents team will thoroughly inventory and securely pack out your contents, then transport them to our secure climate-controlled storage facility. Each item, salvageable or non-salvageable, will be carefully documented for your records and your insurance company. Items that can be saved will be properly stored and safely returned to you once your home or business have been restored.